welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's been a minute, man. It's been a minute. I haven't really been on the content creating / content posting of my rides. I've been really just taking care of myself and some familial matters, and now I'm back. So I got a lot of hot shit to share with you guys too. Oh my goodness, I got a lot of hot shit to share with you all, so be on the lookout for that. If you have not already, hit that like and that subscribe button. I am 100% certain are going to see what I have to post, without a doubt. I know that for a fact. I know this, well, one, because I'm a chick and I'm riding a Ducati. Hit that subscribe button. I don't play. I ride. And you all will get to see a little bit of that, more and more, as I continue to post. Wow, you could have committed to that. Disappointed in you, Volkswagen. Yo, I have so much to share with you all. Like, so much. I was just talking about this the other day, and I'll probably in detail share it a little bit more. My journey into riding, how I began to ride, what was my first bike, how I ended up with this Ducati, all that kind of good stuff. But what I will say, just briefly, to allow for context and perspective, and so that y'all know I'm really about this shit. I bought my bike when my youngest was only 3 months old. 3 months old. It was February. It was cold as shit outside, and I was like, nah, I'm committed to this. I've been wanting to ride for many years. I've been wanting a bike, and now I'm going to do it. So quick fun fact about Slim: when I bought that bike, my son was still being nursed. I nursed all of my children. So all my mamas out there, if you're a mom who rides, or you're an expectant mother, like, don't let nobody tell y'all you can't do this shit. Wow, my music just stopped because I presume that there is an Amber Alert going on. It is just beeping in my shit right now. I hope it's nothing too crazy and that person is safe. Shit. But yeah, so for all my mamas out there, for all my nursing mamas out there, it's possible, it's doable. I did it. I literally was riding to work with a breast pump and a laptop in my backpack. Dead ass. That's real shit. Real shit. I was riding to work on a motorcycle with a breast pump and my work laptop. And on the way home, you know what I'm riding back with? I'm riding back with breast milk, because I pumped during the work day. So I'm here to tell y'all I am really about this shit. I wanted to ride, and I rode, and I committed to it. And that's just life. Like, go after your dreams, man. Don't let nobody stop you. Forget the naysayers, the haters, if you want to call them the haters. People don't see your vision. Continue to pursue your vision. They'll fall in line. You know, if it's not for them to understand, don't worry about it. It's for you. Keep going. Keep going. If you don't believe in yourself, who will? Don't rely on other people to do it for you. That's your passion and that's your belief, live it. I am really, really big on living your truth. Whatever that is. Whatever that is, whatever it is. Live in your truth. Live, man. You only get one life to live. You can't be spending it trying to satisfy other people or concerned with the what ifs. That'll only stress you out and give you gray hair prematurely. We don't want that though. So that's my message for today. That's my message for the ladies. All that. It is sunny outside. You know what they should do? They should make these clear visors UV protected also. Like, it does no justice having to squint. Like, I just thought about it. Like, how do the people at the track go out there with these clear visors? Like, I've seen people ride with them and I'm like, there's no way, bro. There's no way. Like, I need to be able to see. I'm literally squinting right now and it's about to hurt my face almost.